Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to log into MyFitnessPal application on your mobile device. Whether you are using Android or iPhone, this tutorial will help for both. First of all, go ahead and open up the MyFitnessPal app on your mobile device. And once you end up in this page, go ahead and tap on Login at the bottom. For existing accounts, you will be asked to enter your email and password. Write down your email address and your correct password to log into your account. If you've previously used Google account, Apple ID, or your Facebook, you can choose the same here while logging in as well. Since I chose the email option, I'm going to have to type in the email and password. Type down your email address and write down your correct password in the next field. And finally, click on Login. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your account. You can now go ahead and track your meals, workouts, and progresses within the application. So that's how you easily sign in or log into MyFitnessPal. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.